In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets into JSON data. Start by opening the Google Sheet that you want to convert. It helps if your first row contains clear column headers, because those headers are often used as the field names in the JSON output. Also take a moment to confirm your data is laid out in a clean table, with no extra notes or merged cells mixed into the range, since that can make the output harder to read. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Extensions. From that menu, select App Script. This opens a new tab with the script editor, which is where you will add the code that will turn your sheet data into JSON. In the editor window, delete any existing code that is already there. This keeps the project simple and avoids conflicts. Now type or paste in a basic JSON converter script. This script typically reads the active sheet, pulls the values from the rows and columns, and returns them in JSON format through a web app response. Make sure the code is fully in the editor and that nothing important is cut off. After your script is in place, click the Save icon in the top toolbar. If this is a new project, Google will prompt you to name it. Name the project JSON Converter, then click Rename so the title is saved. Using a clear name helps you find this project later if you need to update the sheet or adjust the script. Now you will publish it as a web app. Click Deploy in the top right, then choose New Deployment. In the deployment settings, click the Select Type Gear icon and choose Web App. This tells Google you want a shareable URL that outputs your JSON. Look for the setting labeled Who Has Access and change it to Anyone. This allows the URL to be opened in a browser without needing special access. Then click the blue Deploy button. Once deployment finishes, a confirmation window will appear with a web app URL. Copy that URL, paste it into a new browser tab, and open it. You should now see your Google Sheet data displayed as JSON. And that is all there is to it.